Hello, everybody. Okay, that doesn't look right. Um, I mean, I guess that works. You guys should be able to see that better. And I can see the chat. All right, I'm gonna go see if I'm actually live through my phone. Maybe don't go through YouTube Studio and look through YouTube. Hey, we're live. That's a lot of latency, though. All right. So for those in the future, hi. I am currently doing a stream. I'm going to be developing the studio version, or it's like an RPG maker where you can make similar games in the style of Journey. Um, Not all of my subscribers or the people that watch me know what Journey is. It is a 2D cave crawler game in a way, where very Undertale inspired. You go around basically killing entities and basically just try to get to the end of the game. I'm not going to spoil too much, but there is a second route to go, which shows more of the game. That is not in the current version. That's going to be for version 6, which is coming out over here. I'm not going to show too much of this source code, but you get the gist. So right now for the studio, I have it so that it writes Sorry, I was getting distracted by the live view on my phone. Um, for the studio version, it's going to be you start off with a menu asking you if you want to create a new game, load a game, uh, tutorial or exit. I haven't made the tutorial yet. Um, and I don't think the load option works. Um, it's still a skeleton with chicken flesh on it still. Um, I forgot where I was at with this. I am gonna have to put while loops on these with a try except block inside of them because if the user tries to be silly and puts a different character that isn't a number in here, it'll run an error. I might do that really quick. There it is. Um, Except exception. I'm slowly realizing how bad of a programmer I am. Is it break? No, because return just leaves the function. Can't just do pass because then it'll. Hmm. What is the type I'm thinking of that just continues the while loop? We go look at other. Every other try except function doesn't have something in the same indentation. What the hell? Is that why I'm so confused? Because I never written it like this before? Maybe I don't need a try except function. Maybe I just need. When did I hit caps lock? Is that how that works? I swear every time I code, I need to go like look up something. Okay, so there's a few ways. Guess I still need a while loop. Oh, god damn it. I'm really doing this the hard way. Am I even getting any views? Oh, what the hell? Well, I do know one person that will watch the stream. Maybe. Oh, nice. My phone's getting close to dying. Went to plug it in. They responded. Hopefully, they actually come and watch the stream. Oh, value error. That's what I was looking for. You can talk in the chat, you know. Like, I can see it on my screen. I'm just saying. Oh, what the hell? Window capture, that's what I needed. Ah, shit. Okay, let's put that down there. Nice. See, this is what I needed to do. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. Scrolled right past it. Continue, that's the word I wanted. I just want to say something here. This is the reason that I made Journey Studio in the first place. I'm not that creative. Like, I'm a decent programmer when I lock in, but overall, I'm not the very creative type when it comes to creating a game. So I'm creating a studio, which basically gives you the basics. What? Which basically gives you the tools needed in order to make your own game. Um, I actually haven't done that logic yet, so no, it doesn't need a key. Wait, what map am I on? Okay, so to map 2, okay, and then I go into map 2, and I'm just gonna put the warp to map 1. There we go. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Spawn point. They need to be able to set a spawn point for the game, meaning that they'll have to pick a map and a coordinate, pretty similar to how we create the warps. I could probably just reuse that logic. Anyways, let's test. Okay, now where would it be? I guess that's what I set it as. Yep. Fuck, that's not what I meant to do. Yeah. No, I don't need Journey Arch. I need Journey Studio. Are we still running? And cool. How long has this been going? The stream. Is this why some streamers have like a timer nearby? Because like they can't look at how long they've been streaming. Oh, that one viewer I had went to bed. Oh, it's after 10 o'clock, that's why. I know who they am, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna go and delete that folder. All right. So next time they try to, I guess it doesn't edit the data that's already in a folder with the same game name. Because I tested that before creating a game with the same name, and all the old data from the previous test is in there. Do I need to share this again? Because it's still just my phone. That's the only viewer. And what the hell? You're not charging? Because the charger slipped out. Hooray. Cool. These aren't actually prescribed, they're just for show. They're also hurting my eyes because they actually have real lenses in them. My perfect vision is being fucked up by a prop. Okay, I don't like that. Hey, you serious? What do you mean? You're looking at my stream every once in a while, but you're getting jumped and they have knives. Okay, I wish I could help with that. Mind blowing. Oh yeah, you need the loot list for the enemies. I forgot about that. So if there's no items, loot for name. So I guess I could straighten out the actual game file. Okay, but yeah, this really long triple quote string, that's another Python file. Do I have game name global? Is that why it's not working? Okay, at the beginning, game name is not global. Great. Well, I guess we'll go and do that. Wait, why am I acting like that's such a hard thing to do? It's literally just done. Okay, so what if I made an entirely new Python file, but then I just copied all of it and put it here? Like that would make everything so much easier. especially for debugging. Oh, okay. Yeah, that works a lot better. Okay, so basically what this Python file is supposed to be is it's like a skeleton, and the studio takes all of the data that you made and the stuff that you created, and it injects it into the this file. And then what package is supposed to do, it's not done yet. It just creates the Python file, but it's actually supposed to package the game into an executable if you're on Windows. Fucking hate Windows. Or a binary if you're on Linux. Um, and before you even start using Journey Studio, I have ensure studio dependencies, which basically should, there it is. Um, basically just make sure that you have your, what? Was I drunk when I wrote this? Lib for lib in required if lib not in installed. If missing, try for module in missing. Okay, I'm just gonna change it. Let's just put gibberish there because I don't know if X is a module. Um, bring terminal back. Cool. I can't use Control C because it takes the first character that you click. Error could not find version that satisfied the requirement X from versions none. No matching distribution found for X. Okay, so that works. Wait, what if it's just this and I don't know that? No, because then it would have triggered it for Pygame. All right, right. No, it ran. Okay. I want to see what that click and drag looks like on the stream. Does it actually click and drag or? Yep. Okay, that's cool. Like you can visibly see me moving it around. That means I can do this. Cool. The latency is crazy though. Oh, wait, no, I was just behind. Okay. Mhm. So yeah, when the user starts this, it's going to install all of these required stuff, which I should be able to add into it. Like if it needs something else. If I go to runner, OS, sys, time, and pygame, I don't know if, or wait, pygame's already in there. I know time is a normal Python module, like it's already baked in. Core engine, yep. Okay, while true, self.draw. Okay, so I suck at classes. I I'm not very good at data, mainly surrounding dictionaries. A lot of this was made by Gemini. But what I will do is probably go steal. It's not really stealing if it's my own game, but I'm gonna go get some code from the original game. Holy, yeah, this is. Hold on, let me go to the bottom here. See, 2,280 lines. That's how long Journey Arch is. Okay, let's go to the movement section. Here it is. Handle input. Okay, Control C. Let's go to runner. Control V. Cool. We do not need half of this yet. Or that. Um, we do not need this. Just the basic stuff here. Maybe the user could write a tutorial for their own game and it'll be in tutorial.txt and I could like take that and hard code it into the Python file. I am gonna end stream in like 20 minutes though. And Discord is bugging me again. Also, why isn't this charging? Where did the charging cord go? Did I not have my phone plugged in earlier? What the hell? Oh, okay. But yeah, midnight is in 20. That's when I'm gonna end this. Don't you know, I'm just gonna completely opt this. They don't need that. Okay. Oop, no. Okay, equal to embedded maps, but we don't have those defined. Oh, what the hell? Okay, so this here is the basic movement logic for my game. All this. And as you can see, I am not using a class. I don't know how. Oh, wait. Maybe these look like this because when it was in the triple quotes in the studio. Okay, no, yeah, that's exactly why. Um, when they're in triple quotes in the studio, it's a function string. I have an F in front of it, so it's a function string. And I can set these to certain values before I export it to this PY file. So this would actually be a dictionary with all of the items like these, except since the studio version, you also have a character, like a symbol for each item. The dictionary would be different. All right, you know what? Nobody's fucking watching. Like, I'm waiting on myself here. I might just end the stream and go to bed. Um, yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's getting late, and I'm not actually used to streaming stuff like this. This is the first time I've ever done this. Well, I'll see you guys next time.